Alright, pleasant evening to you all. Welcome back to another phenomenal video, you know, man. You know. So right you know, with that LA right you know. Rich again, you know, see. So yeah. I go see where I go. Am I going the right way, ma'am?
I don't know where you're going.
Well, more have to go to the closest mall or the closest place I could purchase.
I don't know if they have malls, but there's like a coffee or something over there.
Oh, okay, that's perfect.
Mall? I don't know.
Okay, ma'am. Take care. Thank you. Alright. I don't know where me I go, so I have to ask. You know? I don't know where me I go, so I have to ask. Yeah. See the big girl over there today? Big girl. Yeah. Big girl that over there, so you know see? Big girl. Me head small and me eye them little. Watch the girl them a play with me nipple. See the fat girl over there today, you know see? Nah, malalai. Bombard parking lot a big, you know, daddy. Whole heap of walking this, you know, man. You know? Yeah, so I'm going to show you where I go on. So I'm just I go outside. My first time going outside from my start work. From my start work at the first time. Because today I get a long break today, you know? Yeah, I get a long break today. I don't start back work until 2 o'clock. I know I do so. What is I say? 20 minutes to 11. Yeah. 20 minutes to 11, you know. Yeah. Our time different. So the girl, man. Fat girl up there, so. Alright. You don't like me beat or what? Tell me. If you don't like me beat or what? Full of ideas. I don't know. No. Left them amazing and grace. Yes, I don't know, say. Chef wow, body chef run cut. You know me no normal already. Oh wow. I chef wow me name and me run the flame. Mr. Wow. Yeah, so see the place there. Yeah. Fat girl over there today. I know. Yeah. Been my for days. 365 years. Yeah. That is it, you know. Nah, I'm a lie. When them say star, don't have to stop make star pass. Alright, so I look a place over there today. First me ask the lady you wanna say. Alright, so the exit the entrance alright, that's all good. I can't last, you know. So the war god over there today, the warring god over there today. Bombs and bullets. Over there. Walking, you know, look at my swagger. Yeah. Look at my swagger. What? Yo, so tell me what I'm not going with no man. Make sure you still are subscribed to the Human Tube, you know. Rich again, you know. You keep on saying, but it's like you not take note. You know, see? Check out my swagger now, man. See that from my side there, so? Riches me I go for. That from my side, you know. Nah, malalai. Watch ya now. Me head small and me eye them. Me just out the door. I don't know where me I go, but me just a walk. Yo, but wait. Hold on there. Hold on. Oh, me showing you the warring god already. See the warring god over there, so there. The warring god that, you know. Bombs and bullets, you know, man. You don't know? Ah. I'm look like so white, so like more something to eat. You know, look at me. Oh, good. The girls, them chicken Alfredo, you know. Rich again. Taxi them there. Yeah. I'm there, I'll look for and see if I can find coffee bee place or so. Big. Big city. Broad. Rich again. You don't know. I don't know. But yeah, man, you know, big whip over there today. So where you from, man?
Me?
Yeah.
Manchester, UK.
Manchester, UK. Yeah, man. Welcome, yeah. All the way from Yard.
Nice, man.
Jamaica, you know. Yeah. Whip. Yes, I can. I guess I can cross. Ah. Hello. Ah. Big city. Okay. Alright, so we cross it. So what does I say? Dead end. So if we go back at dead end. One Mustang there. But bro. Mustang them mad. Mustang them mad. Alright, so right now I'm just going on a little tour, you know. I know I'm big tour. Yeah. I'm going on a little tour. Early in the morning, as me telling you. Yeah, it's a small tour place, you know. Yeah. So we're now go out now. How you guys doing? Everything okay? Make sure you guys keep safe, you know. Yeah. Alright. Alright. It's a bad place, huh? No. 425. Alright. 425. Across 425. I'm say we cross road different, you know. We don't use pedestrian. We just, you know. The boss and him dog walk there. But wait, he come like say. Yeah. A bullet them, man. Guns and bullet, you know. Them are singing, them are saying go war. Yeah, man, work, man. Oh, at the army shop. Okay. At the army shop, this everything there. We can take a look in the army shop, no? Yeah. Hello. What's up, man? Wait. It's not like that. Big guy. Huh? I'm just, no, not really. I'm just browsing around. Yeah, man. Just browsing around. I see bullets out there, so, you know, I was curious. So I was like, oh, the army place. This is where you get all the army stuff. Yeah, jackets and all that. Ah, nice. $150 for this one? Sir? $150 for this one, eh?
Yeah, the odd prices on there. Yeah, 150.
150. Ah, see. Okay, man. I'm just browsing. Okay. Yeah, man. What's the name of the shop?
The surplus guy.
What guy?
The surplus guy.
Oh, the surplus guy. So when, hey, listen to me, people. When you come to LA, make sure you go and check out the surplus guy. He have all the equipments for you, man. If you want to go to the woods, if you want to go to the farm, whatever you want to do, you have it all. And remember, you have the big dog around there. Oh, these are pins. Ah, all pins. Okay, man. Take care. Alright. Alright, so that's a surplus, you know. Surplus in LA. Yeah. Alright. I'll go up the road some more, you know. Let's sir. Yo! No, sir! No, sir! God Almighty! This one you big. Lord of mercy. No, sir. Ah, God. Oh, the shoes place, this, sir. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Ah. Hello. How are you? Ah. Shopping mall. Right, you know, it's a restaurant I want to find. I never want to. Or maybe we could have actually go down a Subway. Or we could have. Or me see what. So you know, say anytime I forward anyway, you know, say the Italian restaurant they have to find, you know. You know. The Italiano this. Yeah. Everything the right is. So when you forward the LA, you know you look for Italian restaurant. See there, see them time scheduler. Yeah. Alright, no worries. You guys just open up, okay? Take it easy. I'm just browsing around, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. La. Alright, so right now, Subway surface. Subway surface, me there, you know, see? Alright, nice square. I don't even know where me I go. I just walk, yo. Subway surface. Yeah. Subway surface. Cause I don't know what I want. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Excellent. Subway surface, I know. We're going on Subway surface. Ay. Hello, what's up? Oh, turn on the light for me. You guys take card?
Yeah.
You do? Local card? Local card too? Chip?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so it's basically a sandwich. So is the price the same or how does it go? The price is the same?
Yeah. Like you can build your own.
So basically, so that's chicken, right? I want chicken.
Teriyaki chicken. That's roasted chicken. That's just
Okay. The teriyaki chicken for sure. Teriyaki chicken, yeah? Huh? What can you have? White and brown? Yeah. White bread more. Sub to the way. So they're nice for everything. Yeah? You have mayo?
Yeah.
I want it, okay, because I want it on the bread too. That's the reason why. Before you put, yeah. One Subway.
Any cheese?
Yes, I do. Cheese, cheese.
What kind of cheese would you like?
Cheddar cheese.
Cheddar? We only have provolone, American, and Parmesan.
And the what?
We have provolone, American, Parmesan.
That's, yeah, give me the pepper one. Yeah. Alright, no, we need that. Is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Do you want it toasted?
Yes. Yeah, for sure.
Are you really interested in that sandwich, right?
Of course. I mean.
Yeah.
Of course.
How you doing today? Sure. Right. Everything's good.
Yeah, perfect. Mmm. Oh, I forgot.
How's the special go?
Okay, tomato, lettuce, and cucumber.
Not toasted, right?
No.
And the veggies for you?
Put a little bit of mayonnaise and mustard on there, please.
Anything else?
Ah, let's see.
No mayo, right?
Yes, I want mayo. Yeah.
That's it?
So a little more?
A little more? Anything else?
Yeah. Let me try a lot of spinach, please.
Avocado?
That's fine, a little bit more.
A little bit more. Thank you. Bell pepper, red onion, tomato, cucumber.
You said what else?
Yeah.
Banana pepper,
Anything else?
jalapeno, black olive, and
That's all?
avocado. Oh, you make a nice sandwich. You know?
Yeah?
You make
Yeah,
a-
it is, yeah?
Man, he's taking pictures with my sandwich. Salt, pepper, that's so good for that.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I didn't see, but yeah, salt and pepper for sure. That's the way, man. That's the way.
I've been doing this a long time, man.
Yeah. Yeah, I believe you.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I just started. After I discovered, say, hey,
I detect a small accent. Where you from?
of Jamaica.
Jamaica. Okay. All right then. You're
Jamaica.
not going to believe this, but I'm an African American.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, what would that be? Of course.
I just love this mess.
Alright, people, you don't know, you know. So, you get one good juice over there, so. Forgot to pack at lunch. Good cheers. That my cup. Then you want strap up on. Nobody want Subway. Subway, sir. So, watch how me deal with. Watch how me deal with Subway. With my normal. Watch how me deal with Subway. So me have some cookie right there, so you know. Yeah. Watch how me deal with Subway grinding. Grinding for years. 365 years. You go see this Japan bro. Take the truck Alright. It's the Subway, yeah? You must see how she make it already, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Subway good, you know. They like Subway, sir. Anytime, they go Subway, tell them say, we put avocado in a sandwich. Nice. I forgot to put some salt on it, salt and pepper. Make it nice. But that's alright. Why? It's easy. It's just that no, what's up? Anyway, yeah. When you drink from them or something, you compare and that. You can't just drink now, hold it now, but hold it soft. You one finger off, you see me? Yeah. Right now, I'm feeling my belly full already. Yeah, I'm just big up on yourself and just subscribe. You see me? I start go out more often, you know, you see it, so I'm my first vlog this. My first vlog this. Because I'm going all over the place already. Holy. But, you know, busy, you know. busy with work and all that. But I start doing it now, you see me? So yeah. I'm just gonna stay tuned and subscribe. Wow, let's go and say never that place dry me. No? Very good. So you do it. Right. So you do it, you know? Yeah. Then you just relax. Yeah. No place. I'll go back in. Go back in, go get to an hour sleep. Yeah? Easy as that. Put it, one sandwich. About 500 chocolate away at the very beginning, you know. My bra for them looking more, you know. So, pick up on yourself. So right now, me have a little dessert. Stop there. You don't eat. You have to always have a little dessert. Chocolate dessert. Peace out.